Here discussing the some integral problems based on the basic formulas here. What are the basic formulas? By observing this, integral of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here x root x means we can take x power 1, x power 1 by 2. The base is same, then we can add the powers, x power 3 by 2. This is cube root, that is 2x square whole power 1 by 3. That is nothing but cube root of 2 is a constant x power 2 by 3 dx. And in this case, we can divide the separate. Why? Because the denominator having the single term. Okay. Then we can integrate each and every term. Now we are discussing how to solve these problems. Here, the first question is integral of x cube minus 2x square plus 3 into dx. First of all, write separate terms. Integral x cube minus 2 constant right outside. Integral x square dx. X cube dx minus 2 integral x square dx plus 3 integral 1 dx. It is equal to, based on x power n, increase the number, x power 4 by 4 minus 2 into x cube by 3 plus 3 into x plus c. It is the answer. And for MSET point of view, integral x cube minus 2x square plus 3 into dx means this step is keep in your mind. X cube integration is x to the power of 4 by 4 minus 2 is a constant. X square integration is x cube by 3 plus 3 is a constant. 1 integration is x plus c. It's a over in one step. Okay. The second solution, integral 2x root x dx. It is 2 is a constant right outside, x bases are same, 1 plus 1 by 2. It is equal to 2 integral x power 3 by 2 dx. We keep in our mind doing this. 3 by 2 plus 1 is taking the LCM 5 by 2. So immediately write x into x power 2 into x power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus c is equal to 4 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Third solution. Cube the root of 2x square dx integration. Here we can write separate terms. We know that root of AB equal to root A into root B. Here 2x square whole power 1 by 3 dx is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 right outside. Integral x power 2 into 1 by 3 2 by 3 dx is equal to 2 power 1 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 1, 2 plus 3 is 5. X power 5 by 3 by 5 by 3 plus c. That is equal to cube the root of 2 into 3 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 3 plus c. Fourth solution. Integral x square plus 3x minus 1 by 2x into dx. Here, the denominator having the single term, write separately. Integral x squared by 2x dx plus 3 by 3 is a constant right outside. Integral x by 2x dx minus integral 1 by 2x dx. Here xx cancel, 1x cancel. It is equal to 1 by 2. Integral x dx plus 3 by 2 integral 1 dx minus 1 by 2 integral 1 by x dx. That is equal to 1 by 2 x square by 2 increasing of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Integral 1 dx is x minus 1 by 2. Integral 1 by x is log x plus c. It is equal to x square by 4 plus 3 by 2x minus 1 by 2 log x plus c. Here, these two steps are doing in our mind only. Integral x by 2 dx plus 3 by 2 right outside 1 dx minus 1 by 2 right outside 1 by x dx. Immediately we can do it as x square by 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 by 2 x minus 1 by 2 log x plus c. Doing like this, okay? Fifth problem. Integral 1 minus root x by x dx. Write separate terms. Integral 1 by x dx minus integral root x by x dx. X can be written as root x into root x. So root x can be write it as 1 by root x is equal to 1 by x integration is log x. 1 by root x integration is 2 root x plus c. Is the answer. How we are getting 2 root x? Integral x power minus 1 by 2 dx. X power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Denominator is 2. It becomes the 2x power 1 by 2. That is 2 root x. This is the answer. Let us discuss 6 to 10 problems. Here, integral of 1 plus 2 by x minus 3 by x square dx. That is equal to integral 1 dx plus 2 is a constant right outside. Integral 1 by x dx minus 3 is a constant right outside. 1 by x square dx. Okay. This is equal to x1 dx means 1 integration is x plus 2. 1 by x integration is log x minus 3. X power, x is taking to my numerator, x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 1 by x plus c. It is the answer. Second one, write separate integral x dx plus 4 is a constant right outside. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Integral x means x power is 1. X power n integration is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is x square by 2 plus 4. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x plus c. Answer is over. Third one, integral e power x dx, write separate terms, minus integral 1 by x dx plus 2 is a constant right outside. Integral 1 by under root of x square minus 1 dx. We know that integration of e power x is e power x. 1 by x integration is log x plus 2. Integral of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x, but x square minus 1 is cos h inverse x plus c. Ninth one, integral of 1 by 1 minus x square dx plus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Here, the 1 minus x square dx can be split into factors, and by doing the partial fractions, we are getting the 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x. So in that case, the formula is 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus tan inverse x plus c. This we know it, but it is by the partial fractions. After integration, we got this relation log of. Next, here, write separately integral 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx plus 2 is a constant right outside. Integral 1 by under root of 1 plus x square dx. Here, integral of 1 by 1 minus x square dx formula is, what is that? Sin inverse x plus 2. Here 1 plus 1 by under root of 1 plus x square is sin h inverse x. The difference of sine inverse, sine h inverse means under root 1 minus x square is sine inverse, 1 plus x square is sine h inverse plus c. It is the answer. The 11th question, integral e power log of 1 plus tan square x dx on I subset of R deleted set from the R is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 n plus z. Okay. The second one is integral sine square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx on I subset of R deleted. The set from R is 2n plus r minus 1 whole into pi where n belongs to z. Here 11th solution. Integral of e power log of 1 plus tan square x. Just you can observe. E power log both will be get cancelled. That is we are getting integral 1 plus tan square x into dx. Okay. If we can write separate terms, integral 1 dx means is it okay for integral 1 dx x? But we don't know integral of tan square x. But using the identity secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x is the identity. But we know that in the place of 1 plus tan square x, write it as secant square x. The integral of secant square x dx is the tan x. So it can be written as integral of secant square x dx, that is equal to tan x plus c is the integration. 12th one. Here using the formulas, integral of sine square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Again, we go for the formula of cos 2x, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Transpose, we know that 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. But here we want the 1 plus cos 2x, that is 2 cos square x minus 1 is the cos 2x. Minus 1 is taking to another side, 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. Okay, here we can write it as integral sine square x in the place of 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x dx. From this 1 by 2 right side outside, integral tan square x dx. What is the identity tan square x? Tan square x equal to 1 by 2 integral secant square x minus 1 into dx. When the integration having the tan square x, immediately we use the identity of relation secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. Tan square x equal to secant square x minus 1 is 1 by 2 integral of secant square x dx minus 1 by 2 integral 1 dx. Secant square x integration is tan x minus 1 by 2. 1 integration is x plus c. That is 1 by 2 into tan x minus x plus c is the answer.